Do you want to be able to log your Monday.com items into Google Sheets? Let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. To do this task, I'll want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier's no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I could say something like, when a new item is created on a Monday.com board, add a new row to a Google Sheet, and it'll build the workflow for me. My Zap will then be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the steps that I need to take to complete my Zap. And if I need to tweak my prompt or troubleshoot anything, I can just type right into the Copilot. It walks me through the process. To start, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is Monday.com. I'll need to log into my account before configuring my steps. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up Monday.com, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to connect your API key. To link your key, head into your Monday.com account and click your profile icon on the top right corner. From there, choose Developers. Next, click API Tokens in the left side dropdown, and then copy and paste your token into the authorization screen. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the board ID you'd like to use for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is a task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your action event should already be set, so log into your Google account just like you did with your Monday.com account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the Action Apps field. Copilot will automatically fill out our configuration steps with our board data. And if my data isn't there, I can ask the Copilot to fill it out for me. With that, I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Great, let's check our Google spreadsheet to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a new item is created on our Monday.com board, the data will automatically be uploaded onto our Google spreadsheet. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click the link below and Copilot will build this Zap for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.